Hey, what's happening? So today we're making elote. Woohoo! Elote, elote, we got elote. So I started peeling the corn husk and I washed them thoroughly and I put it an hour on the steamer. You get your stick and your corn and stick it in. Yeah, and you get your mayo, spread it out. Get your parmesan, butter, and that's what I call a classic elote. Woohoo! I got hot Cheetos. We're gonna make some fire elote. Woohoo! Let's put it in the bowl and crush it up. Oh. Munch. Never mind. Put it in the bag and smush it. Knock, knock. Who's there? Boo! Boo-hoo! Why are you crying? Add on all the crumbs and the hot Cheeto with the parmesan. Mmm. And the butter. Mmm. Oh my gosh. Oh, butter. And the butter. Mmm. Got the classic one, the hot Cheeto one. Time for the unicorn elote. Hey. I laid out 6 ramekins and I put parmesan in it. We got red and yellow, which makes orange. Yellow, green, we got blue and red to make purple. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. We got the corn, the mayo, spread it out. I got the spoon, I put all the crumbles on each side and made layers of each of the color to make the rainbow. So cute, I love it. And voila, a unicorn elote. Woohoo! Up next is Cheddar Jalapeno. This is my first time trying this flavor. Let's crush it! Put it in the bowl. Got the mayo. Spread it. We got the crumbs. Whoa, so orange. It looks like a big cheese Cheeto. Cheesy. I made so many. Up next, we got chicken ramen. Crush it! Put it in our bowl. Got the flavoring. Mix it. Got the mayo. Woo! Got the ramen noodles on the elote. Put it on. Well, there you have it. Ramen noodle, chicken noodle, elote. I made 5 different flavors of elotes. Unicorn elote, a classic one, a ramen chicken noodle elote, jalapeno cheddar, and hot Cheetos. Time to try it all. Let's try the classic elote. Basically, elote means corn, and this one has mayo, parmesan, and butter. Yum. It's cold now because it's been waiting. But it's perfecto. Next up, hot Cheeto! Mmm. This tastes better than the classic one. Oh my god. Me mixing the parmesan with the hot Cheeto. Oh, my mouth. Tastes so good. And to top it off with butter. Oh. Up next, jalapeno cheddar. I'm scared. I don't know why. Mmm. Yep. The jalapeno ass. It's alright. This is all for the jalapeno poppers lovers. You like those? You like this one? Dun dun dun. Which one should I try first? The rainbow one or the ramen chicken noodle one? Let me ask the people on live. Javier says save the best for last. So we're going for the chicken noodle. Dun dun dun. That hurt my tooth or my teeth. Taste uncooked. This was the worst one. Oh my gosh. Okay. There you have it, a toothache. We got the best for last! Woohoo! Unicorn elote. Oh, let's get it, take a bite. Woo! It's too beautiful to eat. Alright, you know what? Best thing to share it with? My girlfriend! Babe! Baby! She's coming! Babe! Give me a second. Lonely, I am so lonely. This bitch is taking forever. On the late, mama, iya, oh, what's happening tonight? La cucaracha. There you are, cucaracha.
Oh my god.
Yeah, no, so cool.
Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, wow.
So I wanna here you go, give this to you. Cheers, baby. Cheers. What do you think about it?
It's good.
It's sweet.
Why?
What do you mean why?
Why is it sweet? It's like sugary sweet.
It's food coloring.
Oh. Thank you.
There you have it. Sayonara, carbonara.